In today's video, I thought it would be a good idea to explain the difference between the courses that are currently available for purchase through this channel, because some people appear to be confused about which course is right for them and what's the main theme of each one. We have two classes of courses here in the Fractal Flow channel. We have what I call the Fractal Flow series, which is composed by the Fractal Flow strategy, the Market Maker strategy, and the Newtonian trading strategy. The second class of courses is the pure price action class, where we have the price action trading volume 1, and in the future the further volumes as well. Let's start with the Fractal Flow series first. The first course is the Fractal Flow strategy. This is the easiest strategy to follow, so if you are a beginner, I would encourage you to get this course first. The highlights of this strategy are the idea of the fractal bar, the advanced types of divergence like fractal and hybrid divergences, a study about the optimal parameters of risk management, and also a lot of information about trading psychology, with about 40 different psychological traps that you will have to face when trading. In this course, you'll also find many live trade examples of the method. One point of confusion that I want to clear up is that I use price action in all of my courses in one way or another, but each course uses price action in a different way, which I will get to later on. The second course of the Fractal Flow series is the Market Maker strategy, which is an exploration of the method of how market makers manipulate retail traders in all markets and all time frames. Perhaps most importantly, it's a method for you to learn how to understand how to take advantage of the market maker manipulations instead of losing money with it. This course is also mostly price action, but it's very different from the Fractal Flow strategy. In the Market Maker strategy, we are worried about the trade opportunities that arise from the psychological manipulation in the chart through three cognitive biases. I call this whole paradigm the three-dimensional axis of market manipulation. We can also trace the manipulation archetype back to the Greek philosophers and make some really interesting analogies to make the process clearer for you. There are also many live trade examples in this course to help you get a feel of how this works. I have students who trade only with the Market Maker method today. Remember that you can use any of the courses on its own, or you can combine them together to form more sophisticated strategies with more opportunities. So the Fractal Flow course, it's mainly about momentum, general price action, and the foundational aspects of risk management and trading psychology. The Market Maker method is about psychological manipulation in the charts and the opportunities that arise from that. The next course is the Newtonian trading strategy. This course is about how we can apply physics in the price chart to find high-quality trade opportunities using the Andrews pitchfork. This is a very good primer on the mathematical elegance of pitchforks and the new perspective that they open in price action. There are also many live trade examples and historical examples too. As you can see, all these three courses of the Fractal Flow series deal with different aspects of price action, so they go along together very nicely. The three courses combined have 136 video lectures packed with useful information. The courses also have a very low price point compared to the value they deliver. Okay, now let's talk about the second class of courses, which is the pure price action stuff. This is where most people get confused. I already use price action in the courses of the Fractal Flow series, but I always felt that there was room for improvement in many aspects of my view of price action, and also a lot of room for new techniques. In that way, the price action trading volume 1 is an evolution of the price action perspective of the three courses in the Fractal Flow series, plus a lot of new techniques and ideas that will make the whole analysis clearer. This first volume is just my theory of price action and its many facets. The future volumes of the price action trading will be practical examples that use this theory in real market situations. You will learn a lot with these volumes because each lecture will be packed with details about specific market situations. That's truly the only way to learn price action in full and become a master in the language of price. I have tons of information and details that I can give you in these lectures. By the way, the second volume of the price action trading will be released at the end of the next week. It will contain 12 lectures of 15 minutes each, totaling 3 hours of high-quality material. As I promised, the practical volumes will cost $99 each. You can expect one of these volumes every month. If you are the type of person that is eager to learn, I guarantee you will not be disappointed by any of these courses. It took me a very long time, a lot of money, several years of experience, and a good amount of thinking to come up with these things. So I believe there is a ton of value in these products. I hope this video clears some of the doubts. You can always reach me in the email address in the video description if you have questions. If you have interest in the courses, you can access them in the links available in the video description. If you like the videos that I produce and you wish to support the channel, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Take care.